Today's subject, the quickest way to reverse any disease. When you look at society today, especially here in the United States, basically the sickest country on the planet, diabetes, heart disease, cancer, obesity. I mean, are we born this way, genetically disposed to get these diseases? Absolutely not. These are man-made, modern diseases that, are caused by the consumption of processed, fried, denatured foods and the overconsumption of saturated fats that are in animal-based products. It's my firm belief that that's the cause of 99.9% of the illnesses that we see today. So these things can be reversed. And it's not, well, I should say it's a simple fix, but it takes a lot of effort. Because think about it, when we're young and we're moving around a lot, we're burning things. We're burning even some of the the junk food that we put in, we burn it. The pizza, the French fries, the cheeseburgers, we can burn that food because we're so active. But over time, and especially when your activity level slows down, eventually you're headed for disease. So what is the quickest way to fix it? Well, you have to remember that when you are on a diet of junk food, overconsumption of animal-based foods, which I was for 58 years, okay? Not a good thing to be on it that long. And I had problems over the years, but I was dealing with them. But those foods are causing pathogens. They're clogging the entire system. And when the system gets clogged with pathogens, you're creating bacteria, a breeding ground for disease. Now, the quickest way to fix that, a raw food diet. Is it easy to do? No, it's not that easy. You might have to transition into eating more and more raw foods, which is fine. That's fine. But it takes persistence and hard work. Just like anything else in life worth value, it takes hard work. We live in a quick fix society. People want to abuse themselves with all kinds of junk food for decades and decades, and then go to the doctor and say, come on, give me that magic pill or that magic operation. Health does not work that way. You have to earn it. You have to work for it. But it's well worth working for. You'll increase your longevity, your energy, your clarity, your brain will function better, everything functions better. So, the quickest way, I did mention raw fruits and vegetables, some nuts and seeds, avocados for your fat sources. And there's fat in everything. I mean, there's fat in oranges, there's fat in watermelon. So, we don't need that much. 10% of daily caloric needs from fat, 10% from protein, and 80% from carbohydrates. That's the goal. So when you start eating these foods, they act like a magnet. They are drawing all these pathogens and toxins out of your body, which are then eliminated through the bowels, the bladder, or the skin, the three main eliminative organs. Now, for me, one of the reasons I really started to, buckle down, so to speak, and start to really stay raw is because I've had skin problems. And I don't know if any of you have had eczema, but it is a buster. It's nasty. Eczema is a nasty thing, and I feel for anyone that's had it. It's painful, it's irritating, it's frustrating. But things are getting better for me because I've buckled down, I'm more raw. How long will it take? Sometimes, think about it. I ate junk food and overconsumption of animal-based foods for 58 years. You don't cure that overnight. That takes time. Some people may cure in 3 to 6 months. It may be a year, or it could be longer. For someone like me who was older when I started on this path. But I've been so encouraged by the good things that have been happening to my physical being that I know it works. I have to keep going. There's no other way to go. I don't want to start eating animal-based foods or processed junk food. That's just going to slow down where I want to go. And that is to the best health I can get. So remember that the human body is an amazing system designed by our Creator that's just, I'm in awe. It's awe-inspiring that your body has these mechanisms that naturally cleanse you and clean you out. And, like I said, you can go for years, sometimes decades, eating processed junk and too much animal fats and, no problems. But eventually it will catch up. Now, what I wanted to mention today also is that I've started something else that will help you quickly reverse disease. When I say quickly, it may take a year. It may take 2, it may take just 3 months. Quickly all depends on your age and the level of your toxicity. So, and that is the thing that I've added to eating a totally raw diet of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and avocados. I'm fasting now 1 day per week. I like the 1 day fast per week. It's not that hard to do. And when you're fasting, you have absolutely nothing but water. That's it. Because I've fasted in the past. Years ago, my wife and I did these cleanses where, you could drink. It was called a fast because you weren't chewing your food, but you were drinking vegetable juice, not a whole lot, just some vegetable juice. And you were taking these little green tablets and so forth. And that was it. And we considered it at that time a fast, but I don't consider that a fast at all. A fast means you're not having any vegetable juice, no fruit juice, nothing except simple H2O. Preferably, I'd say distilled water is good, reverse osmosis, spring water. I think you'll be okay with any of those waters. But once a week, 24 hours, if you feel ambitious, if you could go to 36, I think that's even better. Well, not necessarily better, but you might get a little more benefit. You might see a few more benefits from it. It's possible. But anyway, I don't really think, this is my own personal belief, that longer fasts are necessary if you do these 24 hours or 36 weekly. That's one of the keys. Try and do it every week. Think about that. Over the course of the year, you've fasted 52 days. And your body is just, you know, the fruit, the water that's going through you and not eating, your body starts to eat itself, so to speak. It's not as bad as it sounds because it's eating the junk. It's pulling the toxins, the pathogens out of your body to be eliminated. So that's the two ways. Fasting 1 day a week, 24 hours, not that hard to do, or 36 if you want to. And when you come back from the fast, fruit is numero uno. Always break your fast with some fruits, and then eventually get into the salads, the leafy greens, nuts, seeds, avocados. And you're going to see tremendous benefits. I guarantee you do that for 1 month. So that's 4 fasts in 1 month. And after a fast, the beautiful thing is, you don't want any junk food. You want to eat good stuff. And when you start with fruit, oh man, it's off the charts. You're going to start to develop a really good taste for fruits and vegetables. So I hope that helps you out. Give that a shot if you're suffering with any type of disease. Try it. It works. Please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here. Hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I put up another video. All the best, guys, to your health success. Take care.